because I left domestic violence blessing number 5,230. The law of little. Little. What does that mean? I just heard it today at church and it really struck me. And this idea fits perfectly with pinpoints. There are always these small little things that stack up along the way that add up to something really big in your life, right? Or steady through your life. So the law of little. What are the everyday things you do every day? Do you get up? Do you use your schedule? Do you set little goals? Do you make good moral choices? What are the little things you do every single day that add up into your life that at the end of the day you can look back and see where all those little pieces have taken you? And I know the concept is not like, wow, but maybe the perspective on it might help and support. When I needed to get out of domestic violence, I had to start very small because I was in very deep. These little tiny things every single day, I did not imagine that it really could happen. I just had this little pinpoint of hope that it was possible. And as the little things started to add up, I could see some measurement, right, over time. At first, it might feel like something very geological, where, the dropping of water as it runs through and carves through rock, we're not going to see the immediate turns of that unless there's a massive flood, right? For the most part, water wearing down on rock is going to take centuries, millennia, tons and tons and thousands and millions of years, and then we will see the difference. So are our laws of littles, do they feel like that in our lives where it's like, oh, I'm doing this every single day, I'm not seeing any progress? I don't think it's quite that slow. But that idea is doing the everyday, the law of the little, the small things, it really does stack up. So if you think about 9.5 years stuck in abuse, and I start my plan about 18 months prior to leaving, okay, so 18 months is how many days, how many hours, I'm putting in together all these little laws of the little until I can escape. At first, I didn't think it was going to take 18 months. I was figuring, well, it took me 9 years to dig into this hole of abyss. It's probably going to take these little things plus 9 years to probably get out. It was 18 months. So maybe I'm going with numbers here, but 18 divided by 9 is 2, like super fast. If you look at how, we measure things. Back to the point of the law of the little. What are the little things in your life that you do every single day or nearly every day, at least weekly, that make the difference? We know when we don't do the little things every single day, we're actually doing the wrong little things every single day, and we know where that takes us. So what are the good little things we're doing every single day that begin to add up? A lot of different impacts upon this idea and concept, but the pinpoints of light that helped lead me through to get out to safety were just like that. I guess what I'm emphasizing is it's not really magic that happens, but it is work, action, line upon line, precept upon precept, here a little and there a little. All of these small things as they add up really can make the difference. That's really all I have today, because I left domestic violence blessing number 5,230, the law of the little. We'll see ya.